Good morning, Pepperoni. This is Miss Santana again. Yes, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? All right, today is Wednesday. What's today's day? Wednesday. Yes, today's Wednesday. We're going to be learning about change. How things change around us. Do you remember we learned about how the weather change and how things change around us every day? Yesterday we learned about different shapes and colors that turn to be patterns everywhere around us and shapes that we can have around the house, right? So today we're going to be learning how temperature change a lot of things around us. Yes. So I just brought this out of the freezer. Yes, I'm going to leave it here till I talk with you. Let's see how it changed. I'm going to see if I can take one out. And I'm going to leave it right here to show you how things might change. Oopsie. It's coming out. You ready? Here we go. This is a ice. Ice with water. So I'm going to leave it right here. I want you to see it though. Let's see. See, I can put it where you can see it. I'm going to leave it right here. Can you see it? No? Can you see it? Okay. You see it right there, right? So I'm just going to talk with you, and I want you to see it. So, when it rains outside, remember we were learning about raining? When it rains outside, the water comes down, right? If the sun is out after, the water goes away, right? But if there's a lot of snow outside, what happened to the water? The water might freeze and getting turned into ice. It all depends on how cold it's outside, how hot it's outside. So the temperature change a lot of things around us. Yes. Today, I want you guys to learn how hot and cold are different. Yes. So this is cold. This is very cold on my hands. And hot feels different. You see? Why do you think this ice is dripping? Like this, like it's raining. Why? The ice is super cold. I don't know if you can see it. And my hands are hot. So by me touching this ice, you see, the ice is melting. So this is exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to be playing around how things change. And today is how this cold ice change into water. You see? Why do you think it's changing into water? Changing into water because my hands are very hot. And look guys, I already make a hole. Look, my finger goes in it. And we only have 3 minutes and the melting. So this cube of ice soon enough is gonna be just water. So it changed. And that's something that I want you to explore with mommy and daddy at home with your family. How things change. This ice is about to change into, I want you to see what is it changing into. Changing into water. Oopsie. It's already melted so bad, guys. It's not a cube anymore. Good, guys. It's not a cube. It's not a square no more. It changed shape. Why do you think it changed shapes? Oh no, only a little bit of ice left. It changed because, yes, it changed because my hands are so hot and the ice is cold. So the different temperature. What is this? Who like this? It's icy. Some of you call it ice cream. It's icy. And it's super cold. It's cold. You see? But if I touch it for too long, or I leave it out of the fridge when it's hot, it's turned into juice. So I'm going to leave it out. I don't know if you can see it. It's already turning into liquid. You see? It's already changing into water, green water. Same with the ice. So today's activity is making some sugar ice. I'm going to use the water from the cube and I'm going to add some sugar. Okay. If you have food coloring, guys, you can add food coloring. I don't have food coloring. So I'm going to put 1 spoon. Before I put the spoon of water, I want you to see this. How this feels. You see? Wow. You see what I can do with the sugar? Now let me add the water to see if I can do the same thing. Mix, mix, mixing. Mix, mix, mixing. Mix, mix, mixing. I don't know, something went in my sugar. I'm going to add another spoon of water and I'm going to keep mixing. I'm going to do the same thing that I did earlier with the sugar. Did I do the same thing? What happened? The sugar changed. The sugar doesn't come out like it did before. Why? Because I add water and things change. When it mixed with something else, things change. You see? This is all the sugar. So in order to make some ice cube, this shape, what shape is this? This is square. We're going to lay all the sugar down. We can do this. We can press it down. Or you can use your hands. Children, you can have fun with this. You can use your hands. And make sure it's nice and pressed. And I have this nice oval. With a knife or with the spoon, mommy can cut it like this. Or trace it like patterns, remember? I'm going to show you nice and close. Like this. And then we're going to make some squares. And we're going to put it in the freezer. You're going to put it right in the freezer. You see? It has like square shapes. Can you see? Yeah, so when you put it in the freezer, it's going to be nice and hard. You're going to pull it out. You're going to put it one on top of each other. I'm going to see how long it takes to melt. That's one. Yes, how long it might take to melt? That's a good question. You need to pay attention. Now, do you remember everything was ice in here?
What happened to the ice cubes? They're different colors.
Thank you, Lily, to point that out. If you want to make this nice and colorful, you have food coloring. You can add food coloring. But I did not have food coloring, so I asked this. I added and it changed the color. So you can do any of what you really want to do. Also, if you want to do the ice cube, you can cut this in different squares. And you can have ice cube. And after all, you can just put it one on top of each other. I just want you to make a nice tower and tell me how long it took for the nice tower to melt. I'm going to put this in the freezer quick before it melts or before I lose my shape because shape change. Then I can play with it later. I cannot wait to see yours. I can wait to see your eyes. If you don't have sugar or you don't want to waste your sugar, because we cannot waste food, you can always, guys, use just ice like this one, and put it one on top of each other as higher as you can. Count how many ice cubes do you use. If you use different color, tell me the color. If you didn't use any color, just count it with me and set up a timer. You can set up a timer and tell me how many minutes or second it took to melt. I don't know. Mommy can help you with the timer. If it's not, you can count. You put it one on top of each other and you can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Puedes contar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Salud, mi amor. Salud. Hasta que se derrita y me deja saber. Alright, guys. I just want you to make...
The shape went away.
Yes, it went away. Because it's not hot. It needs to be nice and cold.
No, it's not hot. It's because of the light is getting it away.
Yes. The light over here is produce heat. So that heat actually made everything hot. So when this is ready, guys, I'm going to show you my ice cube. The orange.
How do you do it orange?
I already explained to you. I put some of this because we don't have no food coloring. So when this is actually ready to share, I show you my ice cube and I'm going to show you my nice colorful towel. And I want you to share yours with me. Are you ready to share yours with me?
I want this.
You can have it. All right. Are you ready, guys? Yes? Go do the activity and send me pictures. I want to see it. All right? Bye. I love you. Take care.